And next one is the trachea. This is the trachea. So trachea, it is a 10 to 12 centimeter long and 2.5 centimeters diameter. 10 to 12 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters in diameter. So trachea, it is a straight tube. It is a long tube. It is a long tube. It is extending up to the mid-dorsal cavity. It is extending up to the mid-dorsal cavity. It divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. It divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. Okay. The trachea, it is divides into mainly two branches. The trachea, it is divides into mainly two branches. The trachea is supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Trachea is supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings. The trachea is divides into two parts. Trachea is divides into two parts. So that is bronchi. That is bronchi or bronchus. Okay. So this is the trachea, divides two chambers, two parts. So that is the bronchi. The bronchi again divides into mainly three parts. The bronchi again divides into mainly three parts. And first one, primary bronchi. And first one, primary bronchi. And second one, secondary bronchi. And second one, secondary bronchi. And third one, tertiary bronchi. And third one, tertiary bronchi. Okay. So the bronchi is divides into mainly three bronchi: primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. The three bronchi, primary, secondary, tertiary, three bronchi are again divides into three branchioles. Bronchi is divides into branchioles. Trachea is divides into two branches is called the bronchi. Bronchi is also divides into branchioles. Okay. Primary bronchi is divides into mainly three parts: primary bronchiole, secondary bronchiole, tertiary bronchiole. Again, tertiary bronchi is also divides into three parts: primary, secondary, tertiary branchioles. And secondary bronchi is divides into three parts: primary, secondary, tertiary branchioles. So trachea divides bronchi, bronchi divides branchioles. And finally, these branchioles are divides into number of small branchioles. Number of small branchioles are fuses to form alveolus. Number of small branchioles are fuses to form alveoli or alveolus. So these branchioles are finally make a tree-like structure. So that is the respiratory tree or branchiole tree. Respiratory tree or branchiole tree. Okay. So larynx is open into trachea. Trachea is a long tube. It is extend from the mid-dorsal line and it is divides into two branches, that is the bronchi, and bronchi again divides into primary, secondary, tertiary bronchi, and primary bronchi is divides into primary, secondary, tertiary branchioles, And secondary bronchi divides into primary, secondary, tertiary bronchioles, and tertiary bronchi divides into primary, secondary, tertiary bronchioles. And finally, these fin branches are used to form the a round structure is called the alveoli or alveolus. And finally, it's form a tree-like structure. It's look like a tree, so that is the respiratory tree. So that is trachea. Okay, so these branches are supported by C-shaped cartilaginous rings of the larynx. Okay, and next one, lungs. A pair of lungs are present in the thoracic cavity. A pair of lungs present in the thoracic cavity. In human beings, a right lung is divided into three lobes. Right lung is divided into three lobes, and left lung is divided into two lobes. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. The branching network of bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli so comprises the lungs. Okay, network of bronchi, this is bronchi, and bronchioles and alveoli, so both are fuses to form the lungs. The lungs are covered by double layer flora. Lungs are covered by double layer flora with pleural fluid. Flora with pleural fluid. So this fluid reduces the shock absorber. And the outer membrane is called parietal flora. And inner membrane is called visceral flora. So both membranes are derived from the mesoderm. Okay. Next, in between both the membranes, a very narrow cavity called pleural cavity. In between both the membranes, a very narrow cavity called pleural cavity. Okay, next, the left lung is smaller than right lung. Okay, and inside the lung, each bronchus divides into numerous bronchioles. Okay, next, alveoli. Okay, so finally they form the respiratory tree. So what is the use of respiratory tree? It provides a large surface area of gases exchange. For gases exchange. Okay, respiratory system has conducting a part and respiration or exchange of gases. Okay, it is also conducting the transport of atmospheric air to the alveoli and to the environment. Okay, alveoli and their ducts from the respiratory or exchange part. Okay, so lungs are very, very, very important for the human being. The respiration is stopped, then organism was dead. Okay, so the lungs are light pink shade, pinkish in color, light pinkish in color. The mammalian lungs are paired. How many lungs? Paired. It is a soft pinkish color and highly elastic structures. Okay, and these act as a suction pump. It act as a suction pump and pressure of pump. Pressure pump is present in frog. Pressure pump is present in only frog. Okay, next, alveoli of lungs are very thin irregular walled and vascularized bag-like structures. The wall of alveoli consists of two layers. Outer layer is composed of yellow fibrous connective tissue and inner layer is a simple squamous epithelium. Outer layer is fibrous connective tissue and inner layer is squamous epithelium. It is a richly supplied with capillaries. So these are the lung of alveoli. Okay, it's like a balls.